Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that code is being written faster than humans can even think. Imagine opening your laptop and finding entire applications, full-stack architectures, and production-ready modules appearing in seconds, not hours. Now imagine a world where developers are no longer typing line by line, but simply describing what they want and watching artificial intelligence build it automatically. This is not science fiction, and it is not a concept from some distant future. This is happening right now, and the tools responsible for this transformation are shaking the foundations of the global tech industry. Stay with me, because as we explore the rise of auto-coding AI tools, you may discover that your idea of programming, creativity, and even productivity is about to change forever. A new era in software development. Over the past 2 years, the technology landscape has experienced a rapid shift unlike anything we have seen before. Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to chatbots or image generators. It has entered the core of software development itself. Auto-coding AI tools such as GitHub Copilot, GPT-based coding assistants, Replit AI, Amazon Code Whisperer, and many others are now capable of understanding natural language instructions and converting them directly into functional code. Developers worldwide are calling this the beginning of a new era, where the boundaries between human creativity and machine execution are rapidly fading. How auto-coding tools actually work. Behind these tools lies a combination of massive language models, deep learning, and billions of lines of open-source data used as training material. Instead of relying on predefined templates, these models understand context, syntax, patterns, and best practices. When a developer writes a description like "create a Django backend with authentication, a product API, and a dashboard," the AI instantly generates a complete project structure. It does not guess, it predicts, it analyzes, it learns, and it improves with every iteration. The result is a system that can write clean, consistent, and surprisingly reliable code at unmatched speed. The promise of ultra-fast software development. The biggest advantage of auto-coding AI tools is speed. Tasks that once took days can now be completed in minutes. Front-end components, back-end APIs, database schemas, automation scripts, and even entire SaaS platforms can be generated through conversational instructions. This acceleration is not merely about saving time, it is about unlocking new possibilities. Individual developers can now build products at the scale previously achievable only by full teams. Startups can validate ideas in days instead of months. Enterprises can push updates, test features, and deploy patches with unprecedented velocity. This surge in productivity is creating a massive economic shift, empowering those who adopt early and leaving behind those who resist. Why auto-coding AI is not replacing developers. Despite the fear surrounding automation, auto-coding tools are not designed to replace developers. They are built to enhance them. Think of AI as a new layer of automation, similar to how we moved from assembly language to high-level languages. The role of developers is evolving, not vanishing. Instead of focusing on repetitive syntax and basic boilercode code, developers are shifting toward architecture, problem-solving, debugging, and creative decision-making. AI writes the code, but humans guide the vision. AI accelerates the process, but humans ensure the quality. This partnership is becoming the most powerful combination in the modern software economy. How auto-coding AI improves code quality. One of the overlooked benefits of these tools is their ability to enforce consistency and best practices across a project. AI models are trained on thousands of high-quality repositories, meaning they automatically apply clean structures and optimized logic. In many cases, the code they generate follows better patterns than manually written solutions. Developers who use these tools often find that their coding standards improve, their projects become more maintainable, and their overall software quality starts aligning with industry benchmarks. This elevates junior developers, supports mid-level engineers, and gives senior developers more bandwidth to focus on complex architecture and innovation. The rise of AI-driven development workflows. What is even more interesting is how auto-coding AI is transforming the entire development pipeline. Tasks like refactoring code, generating documentation, writing test cases, creating CI/CD workflows, and optimizing performance can now be done automatically. AI tools are beginning to integrate directly with cloud platforms, version control systems, and IDEs to create an AI-first development experience. This marks the rise of AI-driven development, a workflow where the majority of repetitive engineering tasks are handled by intelligent systems, allowing human developers to focus solely on creativity and strategic decision-making. Impact on global tech jobs and future opportunities. A major question on everyone's mind is how auto-coding AI will impact global developer jobs. The truth is that the demand for developers is still increasing, but the nature of the job is shifting. Companies are now hiring developers who understand AI-assisted development and can collaborate effectively with machine intelligence. The roles of AI prompt engineers, AI system architects, AI workflow managers, and hybrid developers are becoming extremely valuable. Those who learn how to integrate these tools today will be ahead of millions of professionals entering the tech industry in the next decade. The opportunity is massive, but the urgency is real. Adopting early gives you a competitive advantage that will shape your career for years to come. The competitive edge for developers who embrace AI. Developers who embrace auto-coding tools gain a strategic competitive edge. They can build faster, experiment more, break limitations, and produce results in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods. Teams that integrate AI experience higher productivity, reduced costs, and faster product cycles. Freelancers who use these tools can deliver more projects, increase income, and expand into new service areas such as rapid prototyping and AI-enhanced development. In short, AI does not eliminate opportunity, it multiplies it. The future of auto-coding AI. What happens next? The next evolution of auto-coding AI is even more groundbreaking. We are entering a phase where AI will understand entire projects. It will read documentation, analyze architecture diagrams, understand legacy systems, and recommend optimized solutions. Eventually, we will see AI systems capable of autonomously running sprints, generating full modules, and coordinating with other AI agents to manage development pipelines. This vision represents the next generation of software engineering, one where humans act as creative directors and AI acts as the execution engine. Conclusion: a world built faster than we imagine. The rise of auto-coding AI tools marks a turning point in software development history. We are witnessing a transformation where the limitations of manual coding are giving way to a new model of intelligent automation. Those who adapt to this new era will thrive. Those who embrace AI will build faster, think bigger, and achieve more than any previous generation of developers. The future belongs to creators who understand how to collaborate with machines, not compete with them. The question now is simple. Are you ready to step into this new world of AI-powered development and unlock the opportunities waiting on the other side? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with other creators, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful YouTube growth tips.